Hey, once again, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how much money you can make from a logo design. I will show you two websites where you can sell your logo design service and you can earn a handsome money. Before jumping to the video, if you are new to my channel, if you want to make money online, if you want to start your freelancing journey, if you start your blogging, YouTubing, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel because you will get lots of videos and you will get lots of ideas and money making tutorials. So let's jump to our direct website, people per hour. It's a freelancing website. Okay, so I will show you the step how you can find your logo design service. Okay, it's a freelancing website and it's an all-right website where you can sell your services. Also, you can hire expert freelancer. Here you can see graphic designer per hour, he's charging $12. Also travel software developer, web developer, also charging $55 per hour, $92 per hour. Just imagine that you have a skill and you are also looking for your online career, so this platform would be the best. So you have to sign up or sign in this platform and create a freelancing account. Here you can see the search option, search offer, search freelancer, search project. Basically we are freelancers, that's why we are looking for project. So click on project. Alright, here you can see the search bar. Also here you can see the filters. You can also filters like entry level, experience, your intermediate level, expert level, location, project type, price. We don't need to input any filters, just we will type here logo design. So logo design, press enter. Okay, and you will see logo design $77 budget. I want a logo to be designed $10. Logo design for here is the company name $98. Logo design for a burger restaurant. So also lots of jobs here. You can see, scroll down, lots of jobs here. $64 per hour, which is really insane, right? Because $64, it's a good amount of money you will be making if you can do this project. You should check this out and you should apply. Alright, so I think you can check this website out and how you can find the logo design. Okay, here you can see the need a logo for women bag. So different niches, different companies, different industries, they are looking for their logo, because each and every minute, seconds, you know, a website has been built, website has been published, and a company has been established, and more business out, and they need definitely their website, logo, and different kind of services. And logo is the basic thing. Wherever you start a Facebook business, you don't need to any website. You can start your business with Facebook, and definitely you need a Facebook cover photo and your logo. So it could be a small business or big business, they need branding. So when you start your branding, you must need a logo. So I hope you covered this point, and check this website and people per hour and search here. Also I showed already the way. Here you can see logo design, and what you have to do, just click on the job and it will come up with details, and here you can see the job details. Okay, so read it out, and already buyer sent here the png file also. So and here you can see the per hour €60, and approximately it's come $64. Send a proposal with your best. So if you don't know how to write a send proposal, please comment below. So here is another website I will show you. It's called Fiverr.com. So here you can see the graphic design sector, and you will see the logo branding and identity. So click on logo design. So I will show you how much they're charging for a single logo, so that you can guess how much you can make money. Okay, here you can see the you will create a minimalist logo design for your business. Fiverr choice, perfect. So I will open it, and here you can see the another one, and also here you can see the pro. I will design timeless logo. Just open it, and I will design modern business logo. I will create professional logo and sanitary. Here you can see the business logo, perfect. So you will see the lots of freelancers. Here you can see 2,66,784 services available, which is really insane, because lots of freelancers all over the world, they are providing logo design service. And it's not a single person, it could be here a big agency. They have a digital marketing agency or logo design agency, graphic design agency, So they are providing this kind of services. Okay, all right, so I already opened 3 gigs. It's called gigs, and here you can see 3 orders in QE. That's mean 3 orders in running right now, and the basic price is $35, and the basic logo design, one concept, JPG, PNG, and you get this pixel size, and including what including in $35, one concept, logo transparency, or printable file. And click on standard $75 and premium $175, and $175 you will get this. Okay, also here you can see this seller already got 5,842 reviews. So that's mean this seller already completed 10k orders so far, I think. So if I calculate only for this reviews, so let's calculate how much this seller already earned. So we don't know how many orders completed, but we can sure that this number of orders has been already completed. So we can calculate this 5842 multiply by we can set a standard price like 75. Okay, it's the medium 75, but in these packages you will see the lots of buyers will hire 175. Okay, but we'll see a average 75, and here you can see that this number of dollars. Okay, so 4,38,150 USD dollars already he made. But I think this seller already made 1 million USD dollars. Just imagine that how much you can earn. Okay, and let's check the another profile. It's a Fiverr Pro. It's a similar 5623, and the most interesting thing is that here you can see that right now this seller has got 123 orders. Just imagine that. And right now if you calculate this 123 multiplied by standard 180, that's mean 22,140 USD orders is running. That's really great. And imagine that how much you can make from this single website, single service. If you have only logo design service skill, so you can sell multiple website. 2,247 reviews and 27 orders in running. Okay, so if you calculate this how much, it's a standard price 140. I hope you can understand. I hope you understand that's how many opportunity you have if you learn any digital skills. Okay, so you can work from your home, you can start your freelancing business as a freelancing agency. So don't waste your time, just learn a skill. In future it's a digital era, so if you know any kind of digital skills, it will benefit you definitely. My goal was to make this video to all of you who are students, job holder, housewife, single mom. It doesn't matter. If you want to start your freelancing journey or making money online, so you can definitely you can. You have to spend time, learn a skill, and just go through the system or guidelines. Okay, so if you love this contents, please comment below, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will come back with another video. Have a good day. Tata, bye bye.